Yeah, hi. Back at Wikipedia one more time. You want to learn about geology? You want to learn about language, like obscurance of knowledge through language. One could think that, yeah, I want to learn something about geology, about Scandinavia, and these kind of things. And he goes to Wikipedia. He starts to read the Baltic Shield or Fennoscandian Shield is a segment of Earth's crust belonging to the East European Craton, representing a large part of Fennoscandia, Scandia, northwestern Russia, and the northern Baltic Sea. It is composed mostly of Archean and Proterozoic gneisses and greenstone, which have undergone numerous deformations through tectonic activity. It contains the oldest rocks of the European continent with a thickness of 250 to 300 kilometers. The Baltic Shield is divided into five provinces: the Svekofenian and Sveko-Norwegian or southeastern Gneiss provinces in Fennoscandia, and the Karelian, Belomorian, and Kola provinces in Russia. The latter three are divided further into several blocks and complexes and contain the oldest of the rocks at 2,500 and 3,100 million years. 3,100 million years old. 3,000 millions. The youngest rocks belong to the Sveko-Norwegian province at 900, thought to be formerly part of an ancient continent. The Baltic Shield grew in size through collisions with neighboring crustal fragments. Mountains created by these tectonic processes have since been eroded in their bases, the region being largely flat today. Through five successive Pleistocene glaciations and subsequent retreats, the Baltic Shield has been scored clean of its overlying sediments, leaving expansive areas, most within Scandinavia, exposed. It is therefore of importance to geophysicists studying the geologic history and dynamics of Eastern Europe. So, I guess you didn't understand one single word. Yeah, that's geology. Words. And where was it? In the beginning. Undergone numerous deformations through tectonic activity. Okay. I say it again. There's no volcanoes, no geothermal activity, no crust lines. Basically nothing interesting here. But yet still, there's like a really big mix of whatever stuff you want to. You can find everything basically here in the north. And there's also, this is interesting, the soil is acidic and has next to no carbonates, such as limestone. The scoring by the ancient glaciers and the acidity of the soil have destroyed all paleontologically interesting materials, such as fossils. The Baltic Shield's important is just for minerals as ores, and ores such as those of iron, nickel, copper, platinum group metals. Because of its similarity to the Canadian Shield and cratons of southern Africa and western Australia, the Baltic Shield has long been suspected source of diamonds and gold. Currently, the central Lapland Greenstone Belt in the north is considered to be an unexplored area that has the potential to hold exploitable gold deposits. Recent explorations have revealed a significant number of diamond-bearing kimberlites in the Kola Peninsula and possibly extensive deposits of gold in Finland. So everybody here come to dig the shit out of here, like many firms do. They don't pay taxes. They just come here, take the stuff out, and leave. And leave also the dirt and all the stuff. So, How is that possible? Because of its similarity to the Canadian Shield, cratons of southern Africa, Western Australia. Hmm. North, south, south. Where is it? Lapland, north, earth, north, south, currents. You would expect somewhat same kind of stuff finding here as you will find also in the south, because we have those electromagnetic field lines. I want to end this with one picture. Finland's landscape, and like many, many other landscapes, didn't form by tectonic moving of some plates. They got formed by lightning, wind, and these kind of things. Ionized material. That's why there are craters all over the place, Earth, Moon, Mars, wherever you look. They're made in a similar way. So, geology is something, if you want to understand what they're talking about, you somehow have to read between the lines, otherwise, you will never figure it out. I'll leave it here. Thanks. Bye.